Grab a glass, grab your favorite bottle. Gotta sip it slow, yeah, that's the motto. Get relaxed, no reason to trip. It's the boy Brocky Man, whiskey and kicks.
All right.
Let's go.
Now, luckily for me, these puppies came in right on time. Now, we had a discussion about them before.
Yep.
A few pods ago, you folks will remember I was headed to Trinidad, I was going to pick up something on my way, and I talked myself out of it. Well, these were those.
Son, the comfort. What do you have to say about it? Really?
I will say to you that when I tried them on in the store, I was like, that's why I thought about getting them for Trinidad, right?
Because you're going to be walking around.
Because I knew I was going to be walking around. That brief try-on was, I can't even explain. It failed at really describing the level of comfort of these things.
It's crazy.
Trina said it the best when y'all did the unboxing of the orange joint. That they're so light.
Yep.
That you almost feel like your sock weighs more. Like your physical sock that you put on to put these on, like it weighs more than these.
It's phenomenal, son. These things, man, I love this colorway too. I mean, come on. You know I love a solid colorway. Like, come on.
Slaughter these.
Come on, man.
Now, the great part about it, and probably not the best part for those Air Max is, I bought these also because that sweatsuit has a light blue window pane with the royal blue.
Those Air Max is done.
Air Maxes is going to be
done,
jacket and jeans.
And and this is what I was saying on the joint with Trav. It's like Air Max was like my most comfortable sneakers for a while. You know what I'm saying? So I went on down the line. Ultra Boost, you skipped over Ultra Boost. I don't knock you for it at all.
Yeah.
Because of these. Incredible, son. These are Vomero 5s are incredible. Now the only thing, Nike, you gotta do better with the colorways. They got some trash colorways of Vomeros.
Yeah, they do.
They got some horrible.
The thing about it is the mass consumption joints are pretty basic. But when they get those drops, the other ones, they be coming up with some dope colorways. It's just they're tough, and they're all in the women's.
That's true.
Yeah.
The toughest Vomeros, women's.
All women's.
They're women's. They need. I think the Vomero 5 could use. They don't need anything. They're great, but I do think they could use a dope collaboration.
I think you'll see that very shortly.
I think so too.
Very shortly.
I think so too.
This year will not end without a few of those.
You think so?
Yeah, because
I hope so.
They had they haven't really had one. People have done. There's a pair that look like an off-white one with a bigger Nike sign, but I think those were custom.
They got some custom joints. It's a bunch of off-white looking custom Vomeros out there. That's not official.
But they're not official. And the overall reaction to these, it's definitely happening.
Yeah, man. It gained so much momentum in the last couple of years and whatnot. And I just can't see them not doing a dope collaboration.
My cousin, Anson, just that he and I were just talking about this on Sunday morning. He had a pair of Vomero 1s on.
Oh, the old.
No,
ones.
but they were brand new. Like they just revamped them, and he was like, "Yo, these are the most comfortable sneakers I'll ever own." And I was like, because he used to say that about those Air Max. Remember, I think you may have had them. The Air Max that had the different pockets on each bubble for the sole.
No, I never had those.
So
I know what you're talking about, though.
Yeah.
The Vapor Max.
The Vapor Max. He was like, those are the greatest things at that point in time.
Yeah, I heard about those.
He had on the Vomero 1s and was like, because they are an actual cushion running sneaker, like we are taking them
lifestyle
to the lifestyle
to the
brand.
Right.
But yeah, I can't wait to get these on the street.
Yes, listen, son.
These were supposed to be on the street Saturday night for y'all event, to be
Oh,
honest.
word, yeah.
But I was holding
very
out
disrespectful.
for those.
Yeah, indeed. Yeah, it's a dope colorway. Vomero, I don't know. It's like they're almost best in the solid colorways. They got, matter of fact, I went between those foam posits and the all yellow joints, the like canary yellow joints. They had those at Major, and I was like,
But those canary yellow ones have a little hint of green in them.
Do they?
Yeah, because you know I'm still chasing the
yellow
color.
Yeah. Yeah, so I went with those.
I should probably give that up because I'm not willing to pay
the aftermarket. Well, but I don't know if these go too crazy in the after.
The yellow ones have.
They did?
Yeah, they've never come back down.